See this, guys, how people are actually earning money. You can see this 139 euros, 134 euros. See this 104 euros by just performing some micro tasks, and they are getting paid. Do you want to know how you can also earn by just working for at least half an hour on this website? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you all the secrets that it will lead you to earn money. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from this website, guys. You can earn, guys, you can see this, visit websites, complete surveys, watch videos, and you can see this 20,000 plus payment is sent from this. Okay, how people are actually earning money from this website, guys? Do you want to know? You can see, you can just need to do some small tasks. You can see this, refer friends, view ads, watch this, and get paid surveys, promote your business, and all. Lots and lots of stuffs that you can do on this website and started earning money. Okay, so you can see this, there are various kind of websites, guys, various kind of websites which will offer you good amount of money, but this website will help you to generate lot more money, because in the end of the video I'll show you some of the tips and techniques which will help you to generate and boost your income to the next level. Okay, so that you can also earn good amount of money from this website by just working from home. Okay, so for that, guys, what you need to do is to just click on this sign up now. Okay, just click on this and you can see this, guys. What you need to do is to just register here. So you just need to enter your email address 2 times, confirmation of your password 2 times, your full name, okay, your username, your gender. You need to select your date of birth, guys. You just need to select, you can see, you just need to select your date of birth. Okay, see this, you just need to select your date of birth, your country, whatever country you are belonging to, guys. Whomever watches my video, okay, you can see this, no matter what country you are, you can earn money from this website. Okay, you can see this. Okay, you can see this, where do you heard from? If you just need to click on this online, okay, and just fill this captcha, and guys, very important, agree to these terms and policies and just click on this register, and I'll show you in the next step what you need to do. So after you did the registration part, you can see this, guys, in your mail ID there is a verification. Okay, this is a verification that you get. You can see this is a verification mail that you get. Okay, you just need to click on this and you are just come up here in this website. Okay, so you can see the dashboard. Okay, so if I just come up here in my dashboard, you can see this, guys, you have earned 5 euro cube funds for the logging in today. You can see this 5 euros in my account by just registering on this website, and you can see the potential how people can earn good amount of money from this website. Okay, they just need to perform some small tasks. So what are the tasks that we can do on this platform? You can see this, guys, there are various kind of tasks. You can see this, view ads, okay, personal offer wallet. Okay, so I just show you one of them. So just click on this kiwi wall offer. Okay, and you can see this, there are various kind of daily surveys, okay, which you can do. You can see this, I just need to click on these surveys, and I'm getting paid 40 cube funds. If I get, I'll just approximately how much, at least $10 I can get. Okay, thousands and thousands of people are actually earning from this website. Okay, by just you can see this, by just giving their date of birth and all, guys, these are paid surveys. You can see this, you are getting money by just conducting these surveys. You can see this. Okay, and you just need to click on this OK button. Okay, whatever country you are belonging to, you are good to go. Just you just need to go now, and you can see this, guys, you just need to complete your profile. You can see this, your gender, you just need to select zip code and just click on this submit, and there are lots and lots of questions which this website and survey website will ask you. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. Okay, another way is to just click on these websites, small websites, and you just need to wait for 5 seconds. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 That's it. You can either continue this thing as well. Okay, so all of these payments are coming up on your funds. Okay, so these you can see this. Another thing you can see this, you just need to click on this Q funds. Okay, you can see this. What you need to do is to give your name. Okay, you can give your name, okay, and your mail ID. Okay, I just need to give my mail ID and just click on this submit, and that's it, guys. You can see this. Thank you, your mail was sent, and just by sending mail I'm getting paid. And you can see this, guys, how people are actually earning. You can see this by just performing these small tasks. 139 euros, 134 euros, 131 euros, 128 euros. You can see this. There is no limit how these are actually earning by just utilizing, guys, 1 to 2 hours a day. Okay, 1 to 2 hours a day they are just performing these tasks. And one more secret I just need to share with you guys is that what actually they are doing. Okay, what actually they are doing. So just come up here in this reddit.com, guys, reddit.com. So reddit.com is one of the most popular link sharing, or we can say that link posting sites, okay, where there is a huge discussion on official matters. Like let us suppose I just click on this earn money. Okay, and you can see this, guys, how much people are actually there. You can see this 30.2 million members are there on this website. And just, guys, what you need to do is to just post these links, okay, refer links. These people are actually earning. You can see this, these people are actually earning from referring part. Okay, just click on this refer part, and you can see this, guys, this is your link that you need to share on this website. You just need to copy this and you just need to post it. Like you can see this, how people are actually, guys, 3.2k members are actually legitly doing whatever that person is doing. And guys, per person, if you are getting 0.1 euro, okay, and if you just multiply it with 317 people on an average, or if I just click on this online average, you can see this, how much potential this website is having. Okay, I just need to show you 0.1 euro into 314. You can see this, guys, how much euro it is, 31 euros by just posting one link, guys. And they are doing just like, guys, how much time it will take? At least 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, and how much they are actually earning from these offer wallets. You can see this, $100 how they are earning $100. You can see this by just posting their links. Okay, on an average you can see this $40, approx $40. Okay, depending upon what forum you are performing. Okay, depending upon what forum you are performing. And you can see this, guys, how they are actually earning. Okay, so just perform these small tasks on this website, okay, so that you are also getting paid a good amount of money by just doing these small kind of things. Okay, and there are other ways of income as well on this. Just search it. You just need to click on this and you can see this, there are lots and lots of offers that you can perform. Okay, this is just one. Okay, and guys, I just need to show you from where you just need to get your payment. You just come up here in this profile section and just come up here down and you can see this. Okay, just see this, you can see this PayPal email. Okay, you just need to give your PayPal email address. Just click on this and PayPal email address and just click on this update profile. Okay, that's it, what you need to do, that's it. Okay, and you are getting paid for that. You can see your dashboard, see this. Okay, have a check on these kind of things and you are also getting paid. I just recommend you to just sign up here, guys, with your Google account, and it's the best website that you can ever had. Okay, where people actually want to know how to earn money. So just like facebook.com, okay, just like instagram.com, and lots of subscribers asking me a question, that's what is the way of earning money, okay, good money from this website. Okay, so guys, it's not a haywire situation. I can say that you can perform various kind of tasks on this website. Okay, but what is the most important thing is that you should be consistent, guys. Every day you need to post your website links. Okay, like you are just posting from one website. Okay, this is one website, and like me, that I am also consistent to give you content every single day. You should also be consistent while doing this. You can see this, guys. Out of 330 million people, 1,31,000 members are still online. Guys, there is a huge platform. If you just multiply it with the crowd, the potential is large. Okay, with this link. Okay, at time one person is 0.1 euro, you get dejected and you just leave it behind. But actually, you can see this how people are actually earning, guys. I've already showed you how people are actually earning. This is the most important secret. Why only 1% people are earning this much amount of money? Because they are actually performing these kind of tasks. Because you are my subscribers, I have to help you out. Okay, you need to perform these kind of operations and you are getting paid for that. Okay, so this is it for this video. We'll see you in the next. Happy earning.